See, we're tag teaming it. Already found my pipe. It's deep in there. We're digging us a nice 45 now to where we can get the new pipe in and up that way. And I'll hand dig anything up there. John's moving the dirt over a little bit. But I'll get my pipe tomorrow. And we're going to try to dig this stump out today. And we're going to try to dig probably some of the ditch out too. But we're going to get back at it. The tractor ain't doing nothing to that root. That tree's been burnt like 9 times and it's still as green as it can be. I'm going to have to bring my saw down here and just cut chunks off of it until it's below grade. And then I'll have to just fill it over. That's what the extra dirt's for. Fill it over and to fill that corner in. But the roots, this root right here is almost 3 foot wide. That way you can't even get in it. You can see the tractor doing nothing to any of these roots. They're just so green and so thick. Ain't happening. Just gonna have to cut it off with underground and bury it over. We're still out here working. We'll work by the street lights if we have to. But we're working on the French drain. This area we can't really get to very good, so the hole's kind of large, but we'll fix it up. He's going to go that way about another foot, and then we're going to start heading down that way. We're probably not going to go very much longer. We've got to get this down that way. I'll have to move that dense grade, and then we'll get started on filling this in with gravel tomorrow. I've already got my roll of pipe up the hill. That's the perforated pipe. This whole backside sort of holds water, and all we wanted to do is when the guy did it was just drag his bucket down through there so it would drain, but he didn't do it. So it's up to us now. No big deal. Thank God for good friends. That's my cousin John, by the way. But that's Jeff's tractor. So without Jeff, none of this would be possible. So the land's kind of a mess right now. Got metal over here, dense grade here, probably 20 ton of dirt now we've been adding to it. The stump could not get took out by the tractor at all, so I dug around it, or actually me and John both dug around it. I am going to take my saw and chop it and slice it until it's enough pieces to where we can get it out of there. Not completely out of there, but below grade, and we can then cover it. This is all dirt from our ditch, which any of it that don't go back in the ditch, because we kind of got it a little deep, we might have to push something back in it. We're going to push over this and sort of make this backside a little wider, but we're doing what we can. So today we're going to continue working on this ditch, but right now I'm working on the driveway. I've already started scraping it from the road. Fortunately, I got to move this metal. That's why I'm out of breath. There is probably 90 sheets right here, and I've already moved a bunch over. But yeah, somebody gives you metal, you take it. I know a sheet at a time ain't very heavy, but when you're picking up 8 or 9 at a time because you're trying to super fly through it, yeah, where you at? I got a hump right here, got to take down, and I want to sort of drag it from there, like on an angle, And then from here on an angle, and I want to try to clean this up a little bit, make it more good looking, you know. And I don't know, my grass seed still ain't growing. That's the second kind I bought. I bought Pennington's, and now I bought some contractor mix from our local place, and it's just not growing. I don't know. I heard other people having that problem too, so I don't know. I'm gonna give them a call. So what I'm doing is I'm burying the tip of the big 460 saw in there and then just rotating it around. You can see I've almost got it. There is a lot of wood there. John's over here on the backhoe. This is really, really, really hard ground. This is not rock. This is clay. I mean, it is hard. You can see it's clay, not rock. And it's all down through there. Probably don't even have to put gravel in there, but I'm gonna. It's a little wide, but this is probably 6 inches deep under that water right now. We're a little shy on this side. We'll have to come back through and do some digging this way. But I got my driveway pretty much set up there. Probably gonna have to get some more dense grade. And I'll use that if there's any left after doing the ditch. Got the pipe all strung out. Working. Well, we're basically getting close to the end of the day. This 10 ton of gravel's almost gone. That 10 ton of dense grade's gone. We had an issue right there's where the pipe ended up being, because this was all solid rock. Could not get through it no matter what we did. So I took my bucket and just scooped it just enough to where water would be a drainage, so it'll drain down to there, and then from that point it'll carry it. But it goes all the way down, and it's a huge, we made a pretty big ditch here. I am not worried about water drainage at all. We have probably tripled our pile of dirt, which will push over this bank, and will make this bank a little bit bigger to make the pad a little better. But it is a lot of drainage. A lot of drainage. Lot of drainage. So today we're going to continue working on this ditch, but right now I'm working on the driveway. I've already started scraping it from the road. Fortunately, I got to move this metal. That's why I'm out of breath. There is probably 90 sheets right here, and I've already moved a bunch over. But yeah, somebody gives you metal, you take it. I know a sheet at a time ain't very heavy, but when you're picking up 8 or 9 at a time because you're trying to super fly through it, yeah, where you at? I got a hump right here, got to take down, and I want to sort of drag it from there, like on an angle, and then from here on an angle, and I want to try to clean this up a little bit, make it more good looking, you know. And I don't know, my grass seed still ain't growing. That's the second kind I bought. I bought Pennington's, and now I bought some contractor mix from our local place, and it's just not growing. I don't know. I heard other people having that problem too, so I don't know. I'm gonna give them a call. So I'm about done. The end results. Look how big I made this area over here. I swear, I think it was over to here. That's where that stump was about right there, which now there's no stump. Got only this little bit of dirt left. I'm gonna have to go down the bank here with the tractor, clean up that dirt, and refill the septic tank that was already there so I can have it in use again. And I'm gonna start cleaning up the bank a little bit. Again, grass never did grow, but I think I've done a lot of work. I'm gonna have to get more gravel, of course. I'm probably gonna get another 5 ton of regular and another 5 ton of dense grade to finish off the driveway. But we are almost done. Well, it's the end of the day. You can see how big I've got it. Unfortunately, even though as big as it is, I've got to come over 5 foot on this back edge. So tomorrow I'm having 5 truckloads delivered. So we're going to try to get it to about here-ish, which is where it's a little short. It's about a 1.5 foot short here. It's about 5 foot short there. So having 5 truckloads delivered. He's going to dump it right through here. My cousin Johnny, while I still have the ability to use this tractor, is going to fill it all in that way. And I'm also having another truckload of half dense, half regular gravel dropped to finish my driveway and to finish the ditch out. It's a lot of money. I'm not liking spending this much money in one go, especially for dirt, but it is what it is. Gotta pay to play, you know what I'm saying?